Hello bird enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to take a closer look at some of the most breathtaking creatures in the avian world. Get ready to mesmerize as we count down the top 5 beautiful birds that will leave you in awe. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Let's dive right in. Number 5. Speaking of our list at number 5 is the Indian peacock, renowned for its stunning and iridescent plumage. With its vibrant blue and green hues and those mesmerizing eye-like pattern on its feather, the Indian peacock is a true symbol of elegance and beauty. During mating season, the male unfurls its magnificent tail feathers into a fan-like display, creating a mesmerizing dance to attract a potential mate. In Hindu mythology, the peacock is associated with Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom, adding a spiritual dimension to its already enchanting allure. Number 4. Rainbow lorikeet. Coming at the fourth spot is the rainbow lorikeet, a small parrot species known for its kaleidoscopic array of colors, from vibrant red and blue hues to gorgeous green and yellows. These birds are a living, breathing rainbow in flight. Their playful nature and vibrant plumage make them a delight to behold. Rainbow lorikeets have specialized tongues that allow them to feed on nectar from flowers. Watching them sip nectar with their brush-tipped tongues is not only fascinating but also essential for the pollination of flowers, making them valuable contributor to their ecosystem. Number 3. Blue Jay. At number 3 we have the blue jay, our North American beauty with striking blue and white feathers. Known for their intelligence and distinctive appearance, blue jays are not just a treat for their eyes but also fascinating to observe in the wild. Their bold color and distinct marking making them stand out among the avian crowd. Blue jays play a crucial role in forest ecosystem as expert nutcrackers. They are known for catching acorns and other seeds, helping to disperse seeds and promote their growth of new plants. Blue jays play a crucial role in forest ecosystem as expert nutcrackers. They are known for catching acorns, helping to disperse seed and promote their growth of new plants. Number 2. Scarlet Mako. Taking the second spot is the Scarlet Mako, a tropical beauty with breathtaking red, blue and yellow plumage. One of the defining creatures of the Scarlet Mako is its powerful beak. The beak, adapted for cracking nuts and seeds, play a vital role in the mako diet. These large and vibrant birds are not only visually stunning but also possess a charming and beautiful personality. Scarlet Makos are a true spectacle of nature's artistry. These gorgeous birds from tight knit family group and engage in playful interaction. Number 1. Hyakin Mako. And now the moment we have all been waiting for, securing the top spot on our list in none other than the Hyakin Mako. These majestic birds can reach lengths up to 3 feet, showcasing both power and grace in their impressive size. These birds form strong bond with their mates and engage in complex communication. With its deep blue feather and majestic presence, the Hyakin Mako is the largest flying bird and a true icon of beauty in the bird kingdom. In the natural habitat, Hyakin Makos play a vital role as a seed disperser. The diet primarily consists of palm nuts, and as they forage for food, they inadvertently help regenerate the rainforest by spreading seed across vast areas. Their striking appearance and gentle demeanor make them the crown jewel of avian elegance. There you have it, folks, our top 5 most beautiful birds in the world. Nature truly has a way of creating breathtaking wonder, and these feathered friends as a testament to that. Which bird is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow bird lover. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of the natural world. Thanks for watching.